So good morning guys. Time check 6:52 AM in the morning. And welcome to another episode of our day off vlog. So today we are currently running with the one and only. So target today is to run for 1 hour zone 2. Oh, zone 2 training. Zone 2 training. Current heart rate for me is 125. Yeah, nasa 140 guys. So sabayan sa nato siya for today. So let's go. Let's have a good day. So guys, 1K 1K running for 8 minutes and 56 seconds. Current heart rate niya 146 beats. Ako ha? Pila?
44.
144 daw, 144. Ako kay 124 beats. So sabayan nato siya karon guys. Zone 2, zone 2. Let's go, let's go. Nabili ng camera, ganun na guys sa sakyan na. Moto nag-isa may katuyok. So time check, kung saan yung oras? 7:08 AM in the morning. Good morning, good morning. So 2K guys. 2K. Running for 18 minutes and 33 seconds. So how was the zone 2? Matay, zone 2, kamusta? Ana daw guys. Zone 2 run guys, zone 2 run training. Guys, currently on 3K, running for 31 minutes. Current heart rate
148.
148 beats. So, di pwedeng ako rin mukuso guys, pati kani dalon ako pataas. Shoutout kay Kim na moapil og alularan ko is pass ako karon ko is kay sunod-sunod ng mga challenges. Next time na ako makuig pagkaya na ako mag half marathon. So let's go guys, let's finish this 1 hour. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go. Nice lagi siya, be. Nice siya. Bagay sa ako.
Oh, bagay. 4K guys. 4K. Currently running for 37 minutes. Heart rate
143.
143 beats. Oh. Good morning guys, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning ang first 1 hour guys. First 1 hour zone 2. Last time nag 30 minutes na siya pero karon di pwede. Dapat 1 hour may. Watasan guys, ang tawa ninyo.
Give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you.
So currently running for 43 minutes guys. So awayin nyo guys. No? Giganahan. Giganahan sa akong i-glasses guys. Sige daw, sige daw. Ayos. Ayos. Sige daw, balik. Kala, ninduta oy. Reflective man guys ya guys. So currently running for 43 minutes. 4.59k guys. So we will finish our run here. So let's go, let's go. Very nice view here guys. Oh, the sun. Gandang ganda guys. Eyeglasses guys, oh. Let's go, let's go. 150 ka. Kapit na ni 5K guys, 44 minutes. Hindi siya ka-concentrate guys sa eyeglasses. Anawan nyo guys, giganahan.
I like this. I like it so much, guys.
May pag-i-appeal na lang nako siya guys katong nagpalit ko last time. Makaboost man gud siya guys, makaboost siya. O kagwapa. Happy to moment guys sa mo ang 5K target, 1 hour target zone 2. So how was it? How was it? How was the zone 2 1 hour?
Okay.
Makasturya lang no?
Oo.
Tapos control try mo heart rate, waka ning lapas sa 155. Oh, hindot kayong sun guys. Mo yung favorite part na ko sa morning.
Guys, dili sa mo.
So, dool ra among accommodation sa una dre guys. Karon 30 minutes away na mi. Layo na kaayo. Ay, dito na. Okay.
Dili siya samaw, guys.
So guys, 5K, 5.40K, running for 51 minutes. 9 minutes to go guys. Nagdaga na siya for 1 hour. Wow. For the second time this year. January 21. Woo! Sana all. So, zone 2 run guys, zone 2 run. Endurance muna tayo guys bago speed. Darating din tayo sa speed guys. To beat our own PRs. So, how's the eyeglasses?
Wala. I will not give it back to you.
Ibog siya sa mga eyeglasses guys.
Ako na ni.
Ibog siya sa mga eyeglasses guys. 7 minutes to go. Nalarad. Pure ko alam. May nag-video sa tuwa. Going for 1 hour. Woo. We're almost there guys, we're almost there. Just do it. Near to 1 hour guys, 6 minutes to go. 6 minutes to go. 5 na daw. So guys, first 6K, 57 minutes. What can you say?
Speechless.
3 minutes to go guys, 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. 1 minute to go.
Alhamdulillah.
59 minutes of running, zone 2. So far, controlled yung heart rate guys. So far, so good.
Ayaw mga good mga teacher, guys.
Gitudlo ra po na mga gitudlo sa kuha guys. Sharing is loving guys, sharing is loving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 hour guys, 1 hour. 6K. Zone 2. Let's slow down. Slow down. Woo! Woo! Congratulations!
Paagabi mo nag...
Congratulations!
Ako paabugat kayo.
Congratulations! First 1 hour. First 1 hour. First 1 hour. Zone 2. Oh guys, first zone 2 run. First zone 2 run. First zone 2 run. So, unsa man imong maingon sa imong first zone 2?
Pula.
Ha?
No?
Dili kay kapula. Sa first zone 2 run, sa imong maingon?
Gaan ka akong diin.
Gaan kim tindas 1 hour. First zone 2 ha. So, iyang gi-control yung heart rate from 140 to 150. So, dili pa na mo focus on speed guys kay kabalo me, dili pa mi una nakakusog.
Manani guys.
Oh, so last December guys, nagpalit kog mga Oakley na glasses kay nag-sale. So, ingon ko kung maka 1 hour siya na run, na ako'y hatag siya ha. So, akong kani akong gisuotron guys. Kani akong gisuotron since ka 1 hour siya zone 2 para mas iyaha pang sipagan niyang pag-running. Syempre gibinyagan ako kaganina guys. So, siya kabalo mo ni ako ang price sa iyahang reward.
Yay!
Oakley na guys, Sfera. Oakley Sfera. Napukoy gold pero kanigipalit na ko ni para siya. Ah, sige daw. Sige, try. Balik.
Yes, ako na ni.
Ah, imuhan. Muna mo first Oakley glass.
Oo.
Wow! Wow! Ito, ipakita. Wow!
Oo, di ba?
Ah, na zone 2 run guys, zone 2 run reward. First 1 hour, zone 2. Mo nang reward sa kaya. Kung gingon sa kong self na mopalit kog Sfera na gold ang blue iyaha if makaya na niya mag 1 hour zone 2. So since nakaya niya para mas magpatuloy pa siya sa iyang pag-running, so mo na yung reward guys. So sa imong maingon sa imong zone 2.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kasi may glass na pakita sila. Ka! Nara bagay kasing ilong guys oh. Sige na. Lahi ra gyud guys, lahi ra pero gibinyagan ako ganina guys gigisuot na ko. O siya kabalo na pag malagpasan niya iyang pagsusulit na 1 hour. Yan. So, that's for today guys, for our day of vlog. Thank you for joining us. See you next run.